A supermodel and a silent epidemic. What can they teach us about how our scars affect our body's ability to heal? I'm Dr. Richard Nahas, and this is the New Medicine Podcast, where I am introducing blockage-based care as a potentially important medical advance, but one that you can use today to make your wellness journey more personalized and more effective. Chrissy Teigen became famous as a Sports Illustrated swimsuit model, and she's very well known as John Legend's wife, podcaster and a social media maven with over 40 million followers. Apart from the fact that she's this beautiful, glamorous supermodel married to the sexiest man alive, she's a pretty normal person. She's just like you and me. And that's how she comes across when she gives interviews and, unfortunately, in the way she sometimes conducts herself. Ms. Teigen was born to a Norwegian father and a Thai mother. She moved around a lot as a kid, from Idaho to Hawaii to Washington State and eventually to California, where she was discovered in a surf shop. And a few Nike ads and Maxim covers later, she ended up on the Sports Illustrated Wall of Fame. And she famously met John Legend on the set of one of his music videos. So she walked into his dressing room and famously found him ironing his underwear. Now, this was a story about how sweet it was that he did his own ironing, but I think it's more telling that he was ironing his underwear. I have a couple of friends who do this, and they are, shall we say, meticulous people. So John Legend seems to be perfect in every way, and it doesn't surprise me that he irons his underwear. And interestingly, I think that the hot blood that Chrissy has revealed with some of her spats with detractors online, using harsh language and saying hurtful things that just reveal an inner state of anger and turmoil and urgh. It's no surprise that the line that leads into the chorus of John Legend's song, All of Me, the one song that he wrote for Chrissy Teigen, is "You're crazy and I'm out of my mind." So thank goodness that for every Chrissy there's a John, and God bless you, Chrissy. You're doing wonderful things with the platform you've been given. She has been promoting a line of baking products and pastas and foods with, I guess, the principle that her recipes and the cookbook that made her famous in the first place are focused on minimalism and recipes that you can prepare really quickly with just a few ingredients that allow you to feed your family in a healthy way. So I think the Martha Stewart approach, where you give instructions for an elaborate oyster shucking for 35 in the Hamptons, is replaced by just, give me something I can feed my kids with to keep my family happy tonight. I'm busy. And I know this is a fact of modern life. I think our screens have intruded into our personal space, but we are trying to do too much. And Chrissy, you are the woman who has done so much. You're doing everything all at once. And one of the things that sometimes people like Chrissy need to hear is that it's okay to slow down. And so bravo for putting that message out there. Now, one of the foods that Chrissy promotes, I thought I would do a little deep dive on, since I love mochi. Her mochi pancakes are one of her best sellers. And mochi itself is a very traditional Japanese New Year's food. And they would make a round cake for the past year and another round cake for the coming year. And they would put them one on top of each other as part of a ceremony. And while that ceremony goes back centuries, thousands of years in fact, today mochi is enjoyed by millions of people worldwide. It was a Japanese expat who introduced mochi ice cream to the Western world, and we haven't looked back since. We love mochi. And mochi is gluten-free, which is important, as you'll see in a moment. Chrissy and John were fairly public about a tragic loss of a baby who they named Jack. And I can only imagine how traumatic that experience must have been, but that was one of the scars that she will carry and that he will carry, that they will carry together. But it's interesting to note that the other 4 babies that she had were all thanks to IVF. And the reason is that Chrissy Teigen has endometriosis. Now, this may have something to do with the fact that she's chosen minimalist recipes. And the fact that she's just tired is certainly understandable. When you have 4 kids and a busy life, I can't imagine. I only have one and I'm not the mom. I know that a mother's work never ends. Asking why this happened to me. Asking, why does Chrissy Teigen have endometriosis? Is not a question that we should ask here, but the way to frame the question is the same, whether we're talking about Chrissy Teigen or you. And the same scars, the same triggers that can create endometriosis in 1 in 10 women can create 100 other diagnoses. And these are the illnesses that plague us. So understanding the root causes of endo can help us understand the root causes of everything, because the body works in a predictable manner. And understanding how we get sick is a lot easier than you might think when you recognize the role of blockages and how stress connects the immune system to the hormone system, to the lymphatic system, to the mind-body system, regulating our health in 100 ways. So let's dive in.